Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here with me. My name is Daisy Love, and for today, I am going to be your instructor regarding the particular workshop, Stress Management. Is identify in your area, in your environment, resources. What are the resources that are actually available in my area where I could go and get some support? Who can I rely on? Who is in my particular network? And who can I rely on that I can call and let them in on the particular challenge that I'm facing? And that person can either provide a resource to me or support me in the time being of stress. The first thing is acute stress, which can be described as moments of sharp, sudden emotions. The symptoms that are associated with it are a brief jump in heart rate, as well as your increase in blood pressure. The second type of stress is the episodic acute stress, which occurs when you have multiple disasters in a short period of time. The symptoms include fatigue, indigestion, recurring headaches, and insomnia. And the third one is the chronic stress, which happens when repeated stress becomes. Now you are facing your truth. You are facing the fact that you have a level of stress that is above normal because it's causing you to be fatigued, to have insomnia, to have indigestion. So now you already you are one step ahead because you have identifying your problem. So now you can look for solution. Are we here? Because a lot of the times what happens is that we have something that is going on. We have a particular stressor, but we have not identified nor have we accepted. So we are not identifying the fact that, hey, I have a stressor in my life. Because you're not identifying it, in a way you are rejecting it. So now instead of looking for a solution, automatically you're trying to cope with it and it multiplies and it grows and it becomes a bigger problem for you. This is when we are withdrawing and now we're going and entering the stages of harsh depression. And now because we're not able to face those harsh depression, then what happens? Now, automatically, what happens is that you want to escape. You want to escape this feeling, the way that in which that you are. So you may resume to drug and alcohol to numb the pain. Very important.